Have you taken multiple art courses, workshops, or trainings, yet still feel confused about what to do next? Do you sometimes feel like you know a lot, but nothing is actually moving forward? If learning feels endless, but progress feels missing, this video is for you. Many artists, they keep learning, they keep practicing multiple different art forms because it feels safe. Courses give hope, motivation, and temporary excitement. But once the course ends, confusion returns. Knowledge without application creates frustration. You may have certificates, skills, and techniques, yet income and clarity are still missing. This gap makes you question whether learning more is even worth it. Slowly, confidence starts slipping. Let me share something important you need to hear today. Learning does not equal growth. Growth happens when learning is guided and applied in the right order. Without direction, education becomes only a noise. Shall we reframe this quickly? Feeling stuck after learning does not mean you wasted the time. It means you collected a lot of information without a clear plan. Information needs structure to turn into results. Most artists learn randomly. One course on technique, another on marketing, another on mindset, and nothing connects together. This scattered learning creates only overwhelm instead of creating clarity. When learning is aligned with a clear goal, then everything changes. You know why you are learning and how it fits your journey too. Each step builds on the previous one, and your progress becomes visible in that case. Empowerment begins when you stop learning for comfort and start learning for clear, visible outcomes. And it is only the outcome that can create confidence in you. And confidence can create momentum. And momentum builds belief in yourself. You don't need more courses right now. You need a clear path that tells you what to learn, when to apply, when to stop. Simplicity brings focus, and focus brings results. When artists follow a structured learning journey, they stop feeling stuck. Isn't that more empowering? Artists can implement instead of collecting data. Action replaces confusion, and your growth becomes extremely predictable and steady. Imagine learning with clarity instead of anxiety. Imagine finishing a course knowing exactly what to do next. Imagine finishing a course knowing what to implement. Imagine seeing results instead of just notes. This shift changes everything. Most artists are stuck in learning mode for years together. They think next course will fix everything or learning more will change everything. What actually happens is time passes and nothing changes. This is not lack of intelligence, it's lack of direction. You deserve learning that moves you forward. You deserve clarity instead of constant confusion. You deserve progress that matches your effort. And you deserve confidence in your journey. If this video helped you understand why learning alone is not enough, that awareness matters. Growth begins with direction, and normally structure is the only missing link. If you are ready to turn learning into real progress and clarity, comment art business below. That one step can change how you grow as an artist. Thank you.